is capital D and it is small d. In this video, we will learn the words which begin with letter D. D for dish, D for doll, D for drink, D for dance, D for door, D for desk, D for date, D for driving, D for dawn, D for down, D for den, D for dog, D for doctor, D for dairy, D for duster, D for deer, D for drunkard, D for decoration, D for dewdrops, D for diamond, D for department, D for different, D for difference, D for drop, D for dot, D for dirty, D for duck, D for dustbin, D for doormat, D for daughter, D for dice, D for dinosaur, D for desert, D for donkey, D for drum, D for donut, D for daisy, D for dinner, D for dartboard, D for desk, D for dream, D for dip, D for dollar, D for dove, D for dash, D for dam, D for dimple, D for digestive system, D for download, D for dark, D for dull, D for deaf, D for dim. Thanks for watching.